Assalamu alaikum students. This is your English 10th, week 5. Today we are going to start our new unit, that is unit 3, Try Again. Try Again is a beautiful poem written by William Edward Hickson. Background: the poem Perseverance or Try Again by William Hickson appeared as a song in his book The Singing Master in 1836. This is the picture of William Edward Hickson. Theme of this poem: Try Again is a simple poem created by the British poet William Edward Hickson. In this poem, he tells us the importance of trying again in case we fail due to some adverse circumstances. He says that we should continue trying again till we succeed or reach our goals. Stanzas. There are 3 stanzas in this poem. Stanza 1. 'Tis a lesson you should heed, try again. Means this is a lesson you should pay attention to. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Means if you fail in your first attempt, no need to worry, you should try again. Then your courage should appear. Means then you should know the strength inside you to try again. For if you will persevere, means for if you will continue your efforts with persistence, you will conquer, never fear. Means you will conquer your fears and you will come over your failure till you try again. This was your first stanza. Now its explanation in few lines. The first stanza is saying 2 things. If you need to learn something, try to learn it. If you hang in there and don't give up, you will ultimately succeed and reach your goals. Stanza 2. Once or twice, though you should fail, means there can be times when you are unable to achieve your goals in your first attempt or the next or maybe the next. If you would at last prevail, try again. But while trying again, you will reach your goal and you will succeed. If we strive, 'tis no disgrace. Means by trying again and again, there is no shame in it. Though we did not win the race, you will conquer, never fear. Try again. Means winning is not the ultimate goal, but trying is. So you should keep on trying till you reach your success and you succeed. Trying again. This was the second stanza. Now its explanation. In the second stanza, it says that if you attempt something and fail, try again. However, there is no shame in it, in not winning, as long as you try more than once to win it. Stanza 3. If you find your task is hard, try again. Every task is hard, so you have to try again and again to win it. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. At last you will get your result and your present, because time will tell you for trying again. All that other folk can do, why with patience should not you? Means the other people, they are saying that if other people can do it, you can do it also. So you should be patient and you should keep on trying. Only keep this rule in view. Try again. You have to keep on trying again and again. So this was your third stanza, the last one. The poet is telling you to keep on trying again and again till you succeed at the end. The explanation in few lines. If something is difficult to do, meet that difficulty with more effort and work. And if other people can do something, so can you. So I hope you understood these 3 stanzas. I gave you an overview of these stanzas along with its explanation in few lines. Keep this thing in mind that it is all about trying again. Thank you.